Biotite is a member of Mica family. First, let's study biotite under plain polarized light. The biotite grain appears foliated to subhedral in form, showing its characteristic platy structure. Its color ranges from reddish brown to greenish brown, depending on iron and magnesium content. It exhibits moderate relief. A key optical feature of biotite is one perfect cleavage direction. Pleochroism is strong in biotite. You will notice it shifts from light brown to dark brown as the stage is rotated. When we switch to crossed polars, biotite displays second order red to orange interference colors. Its extinction is parallel, meaning it goes dark when aligned with the crosshairs, typical of mica with the layered crystal structure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Earth Detective.